my name is Alena Lee, and as you can see, I'm a chef in training. And today I will be showing you how to make egg whites my way, because I don't usually like the yolk part. Okay, so scratch that out. I'm not really a big fan of egg yolks. Now let's get on! So here's the stuff you need. You need a pan, obviously. You need a plate, a spatula, egg whites, salt and pepper, and butter. I like to put my butter on a plate so it doesn't, get everywhere. If you know what I mean. Okay, so first things first, you're gonna have to turn on your stove. You could turn it on as much as you want, but I just put it on low. I don't know why. So then you add your butter. Cut. So as you can see, I use the spatula, and now you just have to put it in. And once you put it in, just move it all along. Make sure you get some of the sides too. Oh yeah, just stick it. Get some of the sides. So you see how this uncooked part? I usually just put it around, and that should be enough. Now when I just like to wait till bubbles a little bit, so that's how I know it's done. And I usually just shake it to see the uncooked parts. You see it? Around here. So now we just wait. So as you could see, it's kind of bubbling. So that means it's about done. It doesn't matter if it's sizzling or not. You just pour it in. So now, it's normal. So now that you put that in, you could add your other one. I mean, you could cook as much as you want. So during the time when you're cooking your egg whites, you could do this. And sink, and sink, and sink, and sink, and sink, and sink, and sink. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! So this is your end result. And when you're gonna make more than 2, when you make the first 2, always add the butter. That's my advice. Okay. Last step. Clean up. Why'd you show them our fridge? I'm going pretty slow. Done! And you can make these egg whites at day, afternoon, night. Because we literally made it at 8. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and hit the bell for more videos. Bye!